Dear parents, teachers and students, as we all know, we are celebrating National Sports Day on 29 August each year. We at Kendriya Vidyalaya Freecourt have organized a small program in this respect and humbled by your presence in this event. First of all, I would like to share my thoughts as physical education teachers and sports in charge of the Vidyalaya with you. August 29 is the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as the nation's greatest hockey player of all time. Popularly known as the wizard of his magical touch, superb control, creativity and extraordinary goal-scoring feats. Dhyan Chand was instrumental in taking Indian hockey to greater heights under his extraordinary leadership. Dhyan Chand has led India to 3 Olympic gold medals in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. He has scored over 400 goals in 22 years, spanning from 1926 to 1948. To celebrate and honor Dhyan Chand, the Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India. Apart from keeping you fit and healthy, sports have many other benefits also. Sports improves your concentration and reflexes. Sports improve stamina and strengthen the body. Children who play sports develop sportsmanship spirit. They learn how to work together and cooperate in a team. National Sports Day is an occasion to try and spread awareness about the importance of sports. By celebrating this day, we try to encourage sports and rewards the achiever and make sports a part of our students' daily routine. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students. National Sports Day is observed on August 29 every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as the greatest hockey player in the history of hockey. This day is observed to spread awareness on the importance of sports in individuals' life. Sports play a vital role in educating students as it helps them to become strong from inside and also develop a healthy body. Sports teach children the important lesson of team spirit, and it gives them the experience of working with different kinds of people in different situations. Sports teach many life skills required for good conduct in the society. When you play sports regularly, you imbibe qualities such as honesty, teamwork, leadership, and strategic planning. These skills will be helpful in every walk of life. Children in sports learn to follow the rules and respect teammates and opponents. As adults, they will not readily resort to dubious and corrupt practices. Education is incomplete without sports, as it is said in the famous proverb, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Holistic development of student is possible only when he or she is physically fit. As you know that KVS is known for its academics and extra co-curricular credentials. In Kendriya Vidyalayas, students are given ample opportunities throughout the year to learn and excel in sports of their own choice. Besides academic excellence, our students have taken the flag high in the field of sports and games. Students of our school are participating in Fit India Freedom Run 2.0 with great enthusiasm and zeal. Fit India mission is to commemorate the 75th Independence Day Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Nationwide campaign has started on the concept of physical or virtual run from 13th August to 2nd October 2021 to encourage fitness and help us all to get freedom from obesity, laziness, stress, anxiety, diseases, etc. The concept behind this run is that it can be run anywhere and anytime. On this National Sports Day, I would like to convey it to my students that sports help you to understand and overcome difficulties and soar to great heights. Moreover, it teaches us good qualities like discipline, hard work, patience, etc. I wish all the students of my school will enthusiastically participate in various sports activities this year. I wish you all the best. Stay healthy, stay fit.
ਮੈਂ ਬਲਜਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਹਾਕੀ ਕੋਚ ਅਤੇ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਆਫੀਸਰ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਆਫਿਸ ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਕੋਰੀ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਭਰਿਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ 29 ਅਗਸਤ ਨੂੰ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਡੇ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਮੈਂ ਕੇਂਦਰੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਲਿਆ ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਦੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲਈ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਆਂ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ ਹਾਕੀ ਦੇ ਮਹਾਨ ਜਾਦੂਗਰ ਮੇਜਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਚੰਦ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ ਹਾਕੀ ਦੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵੱਡਾ ਨਾਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੈਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਓਲੰਪਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੌਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੀ। 1928, 1932 ਤੇ 1936 ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਤਿੰਨੇ ਓਲੰਪਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਖੇਡ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਤੇ 골ਡ ਮੈਡਲ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹਾਕੀ ਦੇ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੌਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਾਕੀ ਦੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਊਟਸਟੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਅਚੀਵਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਡੇ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਸੋ ਜੇਕਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਸ਼ਬਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ हज़ारों साल नरगिसे अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है तो बड़ी मुश्किल से होते हैं चमन में इन जैसे दीदावर पैदा। सो मैं इस मुबारक मौके ਤੇ ਕੇਂਦਰੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਲਿਆ ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਦੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਆਲ ਰਾਊਂਡ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਉ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਰਟ ਆਫ ਲਿਵਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਹਰੇਕ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰੀ ਤੇ ਅੰਤਰਰਾਸ਼ਟਰੀ ਪੱਧਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੇਂਦਰੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਲਿਆ ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਰੌਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਮੈਂ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਜੇਕਰ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਡੇਲੀ ਰੂਟੀਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਕਰੋ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਲਥ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਮੇਨਟੇਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਸੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਹੈ ਕੇਂਦਰੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਲਿਆ ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਅੰਤਰਰਾਸ਼ਟਰੀ ਪੱਧਰ ਤੇ ਰੌਸ਼ਨ ਕਰੋ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਜੀ।
Respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Arunjit Singh, student of class 12 from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Fरीदकोट. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to speak on the topic COVID-19 fitness at home. In this COVID-19 pandemic, staying active is very important. Being physical active helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol and significantly reduce the risk of heart disease such as stroke and diabetes. Physical activity also help to keep your immune system working effectively as it flushes bacteria from lungs and airways, increases white blood cell circulation and raises body temperature. all of which help the body to fight with infection. Many people exercise in a gym or go for a run in local park. So being forced to spend long periods of time at home is going to pose a challenge for remaining active. So by just doing regular walking, cycling and running is a great way to stay active. But if you are stuck at home, there are ways you can stay active and continue your workout routine. Try walking briskly around the house or up down the stairs and stand or walk around when you are on the phone rather than sitting down. Throughout this time of uncertainty, something we can take control of is our health and well-being. So try to keep active, stay fit, stay healthy.
Morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and my all dear colleagues. I am Gurleen Kaur of class 11th A of Kendra Vidyalaya School, Faridkot. Being a national player of 10-meter air pistol shooting, I would like to congratulate everyone on this special occasion of National Sports Day. On this day, I would like to give my views on topic COVID-19 fitness at home, a feedback. Each and every adult in this world wants to stay fit and fine, but not each and every adult in this world wants to do efforts to stay fit and fine. WHO recommends that all healthy adults must do 30 minutes per day of physical activity and children should be physically active for 1 hour per day. As we all are aware that this pandemic has affected us very deeply, as it is hard for us to sit regularly for almost 6 hours while working or attending classes online. We should not forget the wonderful benefits of exercises. Exercise helps us to maintain our sanity in these difficult times. We don't need to buy a lot of equipment to do a fitness at our home. If we have a chair, a step, some light bands and a fair ball, we can use any equipment at home. Suppose we can use wall to do a wall sit. We can use a body weight to plank or push up. We can also use a simple little step or curve to do step ups. We can even dance to music to stay active. We can do some muscle strength and balance training. Doing any activity around the home is better than none at all. We should regularly check our sitting posture while working from home. We should break up our sitting and stand up while working on the phone or watching TV. At last, I would conclude my topic by suggesting that keeping active every day is good for our body, mind and spirit, especially at these stressful days. And more physical activities you do can improve your sleep, which is also important for good health. Thank you.
Good.